Hello friends, we are back in the kitchen today for another really quick recipe. I decided this morning to make a Dutch baby, and this is the first time I ever tried it, and I will absolutely make it again. It was great. So I'm just cracking a few eggs into my bowl, 4 to be specific, and then giving it a good whisk before I add anything else, and then Grant will tell you how much flour we put into this.
1 cup of flour.
Alright, so we added the flour, and then we move on to our teaspoon of sugar. Very sugar light recipe, so if you guys, like low sugar recipes for breakfast, here you go. Here's a really good recipe. So we just added a splash of vanilla and then a cup of milk. And then the recipe I was using didn't call for any baking powder, but I wanted this to be a really nice fluffy Dutch baby, so I added my baking powder, just a half a teaspoon, and then whisked it until it was smooth, or as smooth as you can get it. Alright, and then I pulled my cast iron out of my oven that I had preheating at 425 and threw 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter in there, and then put it back in the oven to get the butter to brown for about 2 minutes. Poured in my mixture, and guys, this is super quick and easy, so much quicker, so much easier than making pancakes, waffles, or crepes. Just add the toppings you'd like. I used blueberries because we had blueberries in the fridge, and who doesn't like a hot blueberry? Pulled it out, and look how nice and fluffy that is. It is delicious. To serve, we just decided to top this with some maple syrup and some powdered sugar and call it a day. Maybe you could do cinnamon. You can really get creative with this. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Please subscribe because we'll be back with more recipe videos in the future. Thank you.